Today we're taking a look at the Affinity M Duo, a compact yet exceptionally well-designed motorhome where you can truly feel the European approach to detail and comfort. This is a perfect option for those who value autonomy, clean ergonomics, and a modern interior without unnecessary complexity. Let's take a look at the driver's area. A multifunction steering wheel, automatic transmission, and a clean multimedia display with a rear-view camera. Now, let's take a look at the dinette area. It's compact yet highly functional. The table is adjustable. The fridge is a compressor unit with a capacity of around 70 liters, which is more than enough for comfortable trips lasting several days. Let's open the kitchen drawers. They may not appear large at first glance, but in reality, they are deep and very practical to use. Soft close mechanisms ensure everything shuts smoothly and quietly, an important detail in a compact living space. Now, let's take a look at the kitchen worktop. A 2-burner gas hob. Next to it is a stainless steel sink, neatly integrated into the countertop. As the camera moves upward, above you'll find 2 large overhead cabinets. They come with integrated lighting and soft close systems. Above the driver's seat, there's a convenient storage niche for small, everyday items. The interior materials are of a high standard. Pleasant textures, calm color tones, and precise fit and finish. Everything feels modern and premium. Let's open another compartment. Here you'll find a pre-installation for a TV. Nothing excessive, but everything has been thoughtfully prepared in advance. Overall, the motorhome offers a generous amount of storage space. The cabinets are equipped with gas struts, making them easy to open and securely fixed in position. All windows are fitted with mosquito nets and blackout blinds. It's a basic level of comfort that makes a big difference, especially during summer trips. Let's move into the bathroom. It's separated by a door, creating a fully private space. Inside, there's a proper plastic shower cabin, a practical and durable solution for travel. At the bottom, a wooden duckboard adds warmth and softens the overall look. Let's open the storage in the toilet area. There are quite a lot of drawers here, especially in the lower section. They are deep, spacious, and very easy to use. A large mirror visually expands the space, adding a sense of light and openness. Below, a well-designed sink offers everyday comfort, while a spacious drawer provides plenty of room for all your bathroom essentials. Now moving to the sleeping area. It's smartly divided into 2 sections. On one side, you have the bed. On the other, a full wall of storage with cabinets and small compartments. There are also dedicated wardrobes for outerwear with hanging rails. This is quite rare in compact campers and very practical for real-life travel. Overall, the entire storage system is thoughtfully designed down to the smallest detail. Every centimeter of space is used as efficiently as possible. Here, the drawers are positioned exactly where you need them. Easy to reach and comfortable to use in everyday life. Their layout feels natural and intuitive, making it simple to keep everything organized without wasting space. Here we have the motorhome control panel. It's a modern touchscreen interface that allows you to manage all onboard systems: lighting, water, battery levels, and heating. Everything is intuitive and easy to operate. Right by the entrance, there's a very practical storage unit with 5 separate shelves. On the entrance door, there's a full-height mosquito screen covering the entire opening. Let's return to the bed. It's transformable and can be converted into 2 sleeping spaces. A simple and practical solution for comfortable rest. And finally, the space under the bed. Here you'll find convenient storage compartments, perfect for larger items as well as everyday travel essentials. The Affinity M Duo is a motorhome focused on practicality, comfort, and thoughtful design. Compact on the outside, yet highly functional on the inside, a great option for those who want maximum capability in a compact format. Now let's move to the rear storage area and open the back doors. At the rear, you'll find the toilet cassette compartment along with an outdoor shower connection, conveniently positioned for everyday use during travel. There are several practical shelves here, as well as an open storage section for tools, cables, and all those small items that usually need quick access on the road. Inside one of the compartments, the entire electrical system of the motorhome is neatly organized in a single place. Everything is easy to access and thoughtfully arranged for maintenance and everyday operation. Now, let's take a quick look at the technical specifications of the Affinity M Duo. This motorhome is built on the Fiat Ducato platform and combines compact exterior dimensions with a very well-designed interior layout. The overall length is around 6.84 meters, the width is approximately 2.22 meters, and the height is about 2.90 meters. Thanks to these dimensions, the motorhome remains easy to maneuver while still offering a fully functional living space for comfortable travel. Under the hood, you'll find a modern Fiat diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission, making driving noticeably more comfortable, especially on highways and in city traffic. Now, let's talk about off-grid capability. The Affinity M Duo comes very well equipped for travel outside of campsites. The fresh water tank has an impressive capacity of around 200 liters, which is an excellent figure for a motorhome of this size. The gray water tank is rated at approximately 100 liters. Heating and hot water are handled by the Truma Combi 4E system, which operates on both gas and electricity. This allows for comfortable travel in almost any season. As standard, the motorhome is equipped with a modern 120 ampere-hours LiFePO4 battery, providing reliable power for all major onboard systems and making it ideal for off-grid camping. You also get LED lighting throughout the interior, multiple USB ports, a modern touchscreen control panel for managing all onboard systems, and the option to install solar panels for even greater travel independence. Overall, the Affinity M Duo offers a very impressive combination of compact dimensions, strong off-grid capability, and smart engineering designed for real-world travel and everyday comfort on the road.